Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO Friends Artbox, and it is Emma's Artbox from 2019 to 2020. As you can see, you have the collector's guide of all the art boxes that you get. And as you can see, you have the stock section or the lid of the art box, and this is what the art box looks like on the inside. You get this beautiful plant piece with the art gem and a crab, and you also get Emma with the diving fins and the snorkeling goggles, and also this underwater scooter. And Emma comes with this beautiful wetsuit on. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.